I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today we are going to talk about silk chiffon. What is silk chiffon and how do you identify it? Well, I'm going to show you. If you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. When you hear the word silk, I bet instantly you think of silk satin or sateen, which is super shiny, right? Well, silk chiffon is a little bit different. It's still the fiber of silk, but it is sheer and soft and delicate, and it drapes beautifully. But the big difference between that silk satin and the silk chiffon is that silk chiffon is sheer. You can see right through it. So silk chiffon and silk satin both use silk, but they're different weaves. So by weaving the silk differently, you get a different look. And it's also really easy to confuse silk chiffon with silk organza, but silk organza has a stiff property. So when you fold it, the drape is very, very stiff, and it's not fluid like a silk chiffon. So let's take a look at them side by side, draped on the dress form, so that way you can tell the difference next time you're shopping. On the dress form, I have the silk organza to the right here in the white, and then I have the silk chiffon over here on the left. So you can really tell a difference in how they drape. The silk chiffon really condenses and has tons of folds in it, and the silk organza has big waspy folds in it, and if I hold it up and let it go, you can see how it acts differently too. That one really flows lightly, and when the silk chiffon falls, it falls a bit faster. So you can definitely take these and you're waving them around. That one really falls slow, and this one falls really fast. Also, when you hold them up, you're gonna notice that the organza is a bit sheer than the chiffon. The chiffon is a little bit more opaque, but just barely. And actually, fun fact, silk organza is actually my favorite fabric ever to work with. I love its stiff structure, but I also really love silk chiffon. And if you're gonna be working with silk chiffon, make sure you get a lot of pins ready and a lot of tissue paper, because it is super tricky to cut out, but once you master it, it is beautiful. Silk chiffon drapes so beautifully. That's why you see it in so many high-end gowns and blouses and skirts. A lot of times it's used as overlays on pieces because it adds some detail and you can really gather it up a lot, but it's not heavy and bulky. It's just so light and flowy and airy. So in general, silk chiffon is sheer, it's super soft, and it drapes beautifully. These are characteristics of a silk chiffon. Now, when you're shopping for silk chiffon, don't mistake it for a polyester chiffon. A polyester chiffon is going to be stiffer and it's not going to be as soft. I'll grab one and we can compare the two next to each other. The blue fabric here is a polyester chiffon. Now, when you touch this, you can totally feel the difference. It is almost rough like sandpaper when you rub it together compared to the beautiful silk chiffon, which when you rub it together does not feel like sandpaper. So if you're rubbing together a chiffon and it feels like sandpaper, it is definitely a polyester or perhaps another fiber. So remember that the silk chiffon is beautiful and soft when you rub it together. And you can almost notice a difference in the weave too. The weave on the poly looks coarser and harsher, and it's more visible versus the silk chiffon, which is really delicate and you can barely see the weave of it. So you'll notice on the poly, you can see the coarseness of the weave, almost making a grid pattern. But on the silk one, it's super soft and smooth and delicate looking. Now that you know what silk chiffon is and what the differences are that make it silk chiffon, it should be super easy to identify it now. So hopefully next time you're out fabric shopping, you should be able to identify your fabrics just a little bit easier. If you have any questions about any of this, leave it down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And I would love to see all of your sewing projects that you're working on right now. So make sure you tag me at Sewing Anastasia so that way I can repost them and share them with everyone else and keep everyone creative and inspired. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.